Hello everyone, you're welcome to Extra Touch Academy. We are going to be starting with variance and standard deviation. So the variance of a set of number is given as summation of bracket x minus bar x all square. This is called deviation from the mean over n, and standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So you can see from here to here, the only difference between these two formula is that there is a square root here. But where you have frequency distribution, you have to use this formula. That is, the variance will become summation of f. There's a frequency distribution there, and the standard deviation will become the square root of the variance. So we have two questions here to illustrate how to use these four formulas here. So let's go right to the question. Number one, we have find the variance and standard deviation of the set of numbers. So x is what is given to you in the question. We have 2, 5, 6, 3, and 4. So let's get, first of all, you have to get your mean. Your mean is equal to summation of x over n. That is, you add all the values given to you and divide it by total number. So let's go. We have 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 will give us 20. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So our mean is 4. That is, our x bar is 4. Then going to this formula here, we are going to create a table for x minus bar x. What does it mean? We are going to be subtracting. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then the next step is to put this. We have bracket x minus bar x all square. We are squaring it. Minus 2 square means minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 2. Minus 1 square is 1. 0 square is 0. So let's get the summation. The summation of all this, which is summation of x minus x bar all square is equal to, we are adding 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8 is 8. So to get the variance, V is equal to summation of x minus x bar all square over n is equal to, the summation of this is 8. 8 over, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5 is equal to 8 divided by 5 should give us 1.6. Then to get the standard deviation is equal to square root of whatever you are going to get here, whatever you are going to get as the variance. So square root of 1.6 will give us square root of 1.6 is 1 point, let's call it 1.3. 1.3, and that is the final answer. So let's go to number 2. In this number 2, we have the frequency polygon, the frequency distribution, sorry. So let's start with our x. And we have the frequency. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So first of all, we need to get our mean. And the formula for mean when you have frequency distribution is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. So for here, we know how to get our f. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Then let's create a table for fx. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 1 is 4, 5 times 2 is 10. Let's get the summation. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. So we have 24 divided by 8 should give you 3. So our x bar is 3, which is the mean. So remember the formula we are using. We are being told to find the variance. So because of frequency, we are going to use this. So let's create a table for this first. So we have x minus x bar. Let me just try to shorten it, all square. Then let me try to do another table for f bracket x minus x bar all square. So what does this thing mean? Then look at the x. This is the one we are trying to get. So this is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 square is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 square is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square is 4. Then there's a frequency here. Then we are multiplying this with this. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Let's get the summation. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So to get the variance is summation of f bracket x minus x bar all square over summation of f. So summation of this, we got it as 18 over summation of f, we got it as 8. So let's try it out. 18 divided by 8 should give us 2.25. To get the standard deviation is square root of whatever you get as the variance, which is 2.25. Square root of 2.25 should give us 1.5, and that is the final answer. So with this, we have been able to solve questions that involve the frequency distribution and the one that doesn't involve frequency distribution. Once you get the variance, to get the standard deviation is to find the square root of the variance. In some questions, they are going to ask you, what is the relationship between variance and standard deviation? So it means that the variance, the standard deviation is equals to square root of the variance. So see you in the next class.